Alright, I gotta back my truck out of that hole. Here we go. I feel really confident about this. When I pulled in, I had about 6 inches, but I also had 4 more yards of concrete on when I backed in. So I'm gonna be sitting a little bit higher now, so this should be fucking interesting. Alright. Lining up the hole. Shoot's kind of weird on the side. Oh god. This is gonna be tight. Yeah, scoot that over, dude. Yeah, scoot it over. Thank you. Very good. Here I come, backing up. Oh, that's so tight. That's what she said. How we looking? Oh god, it's so close. But my mirrors don't pull down. Oh, I think we'll be good. Oh god, that's so close. Oh, it's so close. Oh, that's so freaking close. I'm out. Great. That's so freaking close. I'll pull up so you don't get out in the puddle. Got a guy hanging out on the back. Gotta find my scraper. Do I still have a guy up there? I do still have a guy up there.
Good job, man.
I believed in myself.
We can make it happen.
I understood the assignment. Now I wonder what happened to that scraper.
Right on that pile of dirt right there if you want.
Alright. You see my scraper, can you bring it over to me?
It's right there. I set it on the inside of the door.
Oh, very good. Thank you.
I'll go around and bring it out.
Success. Big truck.